Hello everyone, on this occasion I will expose the Kodak case. Eastman Kodak dominated the photography industry for decades until the early 2000s when digitalization revolutionized the industry. The two companies started by selling film and then started to focusing on photography film and equipment. In the year 2001, they both had comparable levels of total revenue, numbers of employers, and market share in the world film market. However, in January 2012, Kodak, the legendary American photographic film and equipment firm, filed for bankruptcy protection. The main mistake was really the misdirection. The idea of focusing solely on one product as opposed to feature film, and putting all the resources into the production of cameras that really went to the dead end. This is simply due to a natural fear of losing long-term buyers entering unfamiliar markets. As a result of that poor decision, the company continued to develop products for film cameras instead of investing in gaining and foothold in the digital market. And when he wanted to enter the digital market with his Kodak Easy Share camera, it's way too late. The digital camera market was already entering maturity. Other brands such as Sony, Canon, Panasonic, Olympus, Samsung, etc. have already positioned themselves and digital photography part of the life of all of us. Thanks for the attention.